How the melting ice caps are affecting wildlife. The ice caps are melting at a horrifying rate, and it is putting all life there in danger. Collectively, the Antarctic and Greenland ice sheets lose around 466 billion tonnes of ice a year on average. That's more than 1.1 billion tonnes every single day. Together, the ice in Antarctica and Greenland would raise Earth's sea levels by around 230 feet if it all melted. During the group discussion we had about the wicked problem, we came to the conclusion that I will write about how this problem affects well-being of wildlife within the habitat and how their living conditions are being damaged. How polar bears are being affected by the ice melting. Polar bears are the main victims of melting ice caps. They are not being able to get enough food for a carnivore of their size to survive. Due to a recent study, polar bears need to eat 6 times the amount they were thought to. They also burn through approximately 12,235 calories per day, so it's safe to say they need plenty of food. There are an estimated 22,000 to 31,000 polar bears in the wild. Polar bears rely on sea ice for hunting seals, their primary food source. But the spread of ice has been on the decline as climate change accelerates the rise in temperatures at the poles, keeping them on land where it's harder to catch seals. How the melting ice caps will affect penguins negatively, emperor penguins in specific. More than half of Antarctica's emperor penguins could be wiped out over the next 80 years due to melting ice, scientists have warned. Rising temperatures and changing wind patterns is going to negatively affect the emperor penguin's habitat on which they breed, which can cause their population to decrease over 50% by the year 2100. Emperor penguins are a vital part of the Antarctic food chain. They eat creatures like squid and small fish and are an important source of food for predators like leopard seals and large sharks. By protecting the emperor penguins, the WWF hope to save many other species that depend on them.